Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter from English Junction. Before starting our class, I welcome you to my online class. Today we are going to learn chapter The Spirit of Youth. That is a speech done by APJ Abdul Kalam to Indian school students during 2013 visit to Gulf nation. At the time he made a speech, that is this speech. It is not only a chapter but also a very wonderful motivational speech. We want to follow these things in our life, then we can get success. Let us learn about APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. What is the full form? Abul Pakir Zainuddin Abdul Kalam. That is full name of Abdul Kalam. Abul Pakir Zainuddin Abdul Kalam. He is known as, now he is no more. Now he was known as Missile Man of India. Missile Man of India. He was born 15th October 1931, Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He passed away on 27th July 2015. He was born on October 15th, 1931. He passed away 27th July 2015. He served as the 11th President of India. His important books are Wings of Fire, it is his autobiography, India 2020, Ignited Minds, Indomitable Spirit. These are his notable books. He wrote many books. He gave many speeches. He is a very wonderful person. He is one of the most speech here we are going to learn. Let us start our chapter. The Speech of Youth, fourth chapter. It is a speech by APJ Abdul Kalam. We already told you that he starts, dear young friends, it is wings to fly. Wings to fly. That means how we can achieve our goal. Dear young friends, his salutation. One of you has made up your mind on what you want to achieve in the future. APJ Abdul Kalam says us what we decided, or have you made up, has made up means a desire, what you want to achieve in the future. APJ Abdul Kalam asks us, have you decided your future? What career do you want? Each one definitely achieve that goal. If we want to aim first, and any decision or any dream or any ambition will be fulfilled. He says that each one surely, definitely achieve that goal. But how does one work towards the achievements? How we get that achievement? Are there any steps to follow? Are there any steps to follow? Everyone has some vision in our future. If anybody has no ambition, you must make one ambition, engineer, doctor, any field, aeronaut, any field we can desire. Or businessman, anything we can desire, and in our life we must we must have an ambition. Teacher, doctor, engineer, or so many professions are here in our life. We must plan now. Then we try to that. That APJ Abdul Kalam says, if we want one ambition, then we need some steps to follow to reach that success. He asks us, are there any steps to follow? Yes, there is 4 steps. We must practice these steps, 4 steps to get success in our life. First one, have an aim before age of 20. Now you are in 7th standard. You are before 20. So you have an aim. You have an ambition before age of 20. That is first step. First step, make an aim. Make an aim. Second one, work hard towards that aim. Work hard. Continuously work hard towards that aim. Third one, acquire knowledge continuously. Acquire knowledge, as a collect knowledge continuously. Continually we learn something. That is, we are coming here in our school. And fourth one, learn to preserve against the odds and succeed. Learn to preserve against odds. We may have some odds in our life or against or restrictions in our life. We must preserve or overcome that all odds and succeed. That the 4 steps we must practice. He also says that from strong mind, I will win, I will win, I will win. That strong decision also will win. Before we may fail sometime, but at that moment we must have one strong decision. I will win, I will win, I will. He continues his speech. Always remember, education gives wings to fly. We must be educated, then it gives wings to fly. Wings to fly. When we have education, then only we have wings to fly. Each one must let your education shape your wings of fire. You must educate. He says us, we must educate. Then it will give wings of fire. That will lead to great achievements. That education only we will get success or great achievements and career. Then he continues, think to yourself. Think to ourselves. He says that things to ourselves. Then we must have one vision. I will win. I will fly. We must practice this one. I will win. I will fly. Then he says about unique achievers. So many great persons he remember us. Unique achievers. He says us to look light. Here light are here. The light in our home, light, electric bulb are there. Just look at that. Our thoughts, goals is invented. Who invented that? Who invented electric bulb? You just imagine without the bulb, our night, what will happen? That bulb gave us lights. That is why now night time we are learning many things. Otherwise it is too much difficult. Who invented it? Thomas Alva Edison. APJ Abdul Kalam remembers us this person. Electric bulb invented by Thomas Alva Edison. What a unique contribution. What a unique contribution he says to us. Electric bulb, what a contribution. The next one, you just hear aeroplane sound over your home. Aeroplane. Who invented? The Wright brothers proved that man can fly. Wright brothers invented. They have proved man can fly. We can't fly really, but Wright brothers invented aeroplane. That is why we can fly. We can actually go to Gulf or other nation very simply, very easy because of this aeroplane. And it a great risk and cost is needed. But they did all this one. That is aeroplane invented by Wright brothers. The next he remembers us telephone in our home. Telephone number. Who invented telephone? Telephone invented by Alexander Graham. Alexander Graham. Here three persons made. Electric bulb by Thomas Alva Edison, aeroplane by the Wright brothers, and telephone by Alexander Graham. He continues his speech. Everybody considers sea travel a tough experience. A journey through sea is a tough experience. But one unique. What is the meaning of unique? Unique means there is no parallel. Only one that person, that things only. That is unique. One unique person thought otherwise. We may think that it is very risky or wasting. But one person think otherwise. During his long voyage from United Kingdom to India, his journey from United Kingdom to India, he wondered why horizon where the sky and the sea meet looks blue. He thinks that why horizon where the sky and the sea meeting area looks blue. He researched about it. He continued his research. After that, it resulted the phenomena. Why it is blue? The phenomena of scattering of light. Scattering of light. He founded that the blue color of that area is why the reason is scattering of light. Who is that person? That is the great person C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman found the blue color. Why the air of blue color, that is scattering of light, C.V. Raman found or invented. Then he was awarded Nobel Prize for this work. He found scattering of light made a blue color in the air. That he found it. That is why he got Nobel Prize. Then another person, don't you know radium? Radium, one lady found. She won not one, but two. One lady got two prizes. One is in physics, second one is in chemistry. Who is that person? Madame Curie. Another great person, unique achiever is Madame Curie. She got two Nobel Prize in physics and in chemistry also. Why she found radium? While she was doing this research that affected radiation on the human system. That radiation affected Madame Curie. The same radiation which she discovered affected her and she suffered her life. That means she passed away because of radiation in her life while trying to relieve humans from pain and sufferings. In short, Madame Curie discovered radium. She got 2-time Nobel Prize, one for physics and another for chemistry. These are the great unique achievers. Unique means there is no parallel. C.V. Raman is a unique person, Madame Curie is a unique person, and we already discussed other 3 persons. All these are great or unique achievers. Why Kalam informed about this person to us? We want to follow them or we want to identify their quality. They did these 4 steps. We already discussed 4 steps to get success in our life. Here I am going to finish today's class. His speech is continuing. Next class we can discuss later part. Thank you. Have a nice day.